All right, let's try this. I've typed here remove root home. So find me the home. Then this could be Eric or live user or anything else, right? So I don't know the name. So whatever. Asterisk is desktop, but in German it's something else. In French it's something else. So that one, I don't care what it is. And if you find calamares.desktop, then remove it. Want to try that out? I didn't find the one from FenOS. By the way, EndeavourOS is also an interesting way to learn. EndeavourOS, Arch ISO. FenOS, it's Debian. This is Arch. And all these guys have different ways to work around elements and make a beautiful operating system, right? So learn from code from others. That's basically how I got my knowledge, right? There was no tutorial of Eric Dubois to follow. So I don't know if this is gonna work. I believe I saw some kind of code on FenOS, but hey, didn't find it anymore. So it was more a for I in and then the list of all the directories, remove calamares.desktop. But this feels smaller, but I don't know if it's gonna work, right? Trial and error, guys, trial error. Don't be ashamed. I'm not. So that one is a change in Carli calamares config. Carli calamares config. We've changed in here this guy, right? Okay, which means it's on my computer, it's not on the internet. So I'm gonna push it there and let's try it out. So, well, okay, new files in, cool. And then trying to remove the calamares.desktop, right? Have that. Thank you. So it's online. It needs to be built. It's this one that needs to be built. It has a number. We are September. First try. Okay. And we built. Make the package. Okay. 3 things can go. Control X. Let's include also a calamares build in this one. So Carli repo, like that. So we are with calamares 3.2.27 and we are at 30 already. So we'll do that in the same time, one go. So Carli package build, calamares, lots of things in here. Does not work, user mod issues. Yeah, that's old news. So that all works again. So what I'm gonna do is Control C, Control V, give it a name 30, right, and 1. So we're basing ourselves on a release called 30, 3.2.30, save. Is that enough? Is that all I need to change? You know it very quickly. What is this? Dep calamares sh. That's all the stuff you need to install to be able to build it. Okay. Make package. 3.2.30 is installed. One or more files did not pass a validity check. Super simple if you got the knowledge. Update the package sums and make the package. So we'll have a calamares in no time. Well, in some time. It always takes a while to build it. So we'll have a new calamares, we'll have a new config. We have calamares on our desktop. It's installed, we've seen it. It will still be there on the desktop, but we do hope with the new line there that it's gone. While he's doing that, let me take a look at if I can find the code somewhere. There's also, I believe, Lubuntu, was it that? Lubuntu calamares GitHub or something. There you go. So want to learn about Calamares settings Ubuntu, right? Go and have a look. What do these guys do? What did I change? GitHub or so GitHub Calamar as GitHub, yeah, Calamares is good, but GitLab, Git bucket, and so on and so on and so on. Here's the Manjaro version of it. I saw a Debian version at the last line there. GitLab, Manjaro. We have our own ArcoLinux thing. Endeavor OS, SwagArch. It was beautiful. I asked the person responsible to put the GitHub back because I learned a lot from his code. But it's gone, right? He's not, Mike Kruger is not developing anymore. Too bad, because I really like the structure, the cleanness of his scripts, his configs. Right. So for educational purposes, I would like it to come back. But I suppose. Susan, right? Calamares there. So GitHub, GitLab, Gitbucket, Calamares, Arch Labs Linux. Take a look what other people do. And take the best of the world, right? Of the world, so the different sources. All right, 3.2.31, yay. We can delete these guys. Control X. Go to the repo, put it in, push it to the internet, build it again. But check, so if you push, check. I should have a new Calamares. New Calamares. So 3.2727, delete, create, 30, okay. Rename to 2010. That's okay. All right, that's cool. 29.1. So cool. Building again. Builds. Wrong password. Oh, okay. Trash. Total download size, right? 4, because Calamares is new and the Carli system installation is new. Carli's config is new. And what was all that? Warning. Yeah. So all the things that require a new config, they get the name pack new or pack save. We've made a video about it on YouTube for ArcoLinux. So just type in pack new or pack save. You'll get the right video. One of the last 1,600 and something. All right, let's pause the video here. All right, we've got an ISO, which means let's test the thing. Carli 8, blah, 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 probably correct. And then boot. Simple desktop display manager. SDDM rather than LightDM. Nice, right? About 3 to 31. Yes. The new one. Do you need to have the latest one? No. Nobody says you need to use the very latest one, very last one, right? No problem. If you have one that's older. Oh yeah. Passwords, right? Nah, he's satisfied. There you go. And let's install it. So the install system is here. Let's analyze while we wait. what we've done is we went here, we went to etc calamares. In here we have the settings.conf. Scroll not all the way down, but can we change it to something else? Not really, normal. Yeah. Perl, let's see if that works. Yeah, it's more or less readable, right? You see the black things are used and all the rest is not used. So we have the shell process at some point in time. It's gonna kick in. What do we have as shell process? We have here this line, not sure if it's gonna work. So experiment, that's the only thing you need to know. Don't be afraid to experiment. So in the home, find me a folder, any folder with any name. If you find calamares.desktop, delete it. We'll see. And the branding is, so this is the third slide element. We need to do something about that, right? So the style QS is here. That's the, sorry, that's the CSS, right? QSS, CSS. If you know your web design, then you know what I'm talking about. So the squid PNG, this is a customizable QML slideshow, etc. This is the second slide element, so I can change the text here. I can add also images, anchors, horizontal anchor, top, and here is an image. But to know more about these things, it's actually easier to learn from code from others. So again, let's show you guys. Go figure out where you can find information, Git buckets, GitHub, GitLab, and I often Google for things like AI root file system, because this is a file that's part of ArchISO, right? So you'll find hits, but if you narrow it down, like just the ones on GitLab, you get information about that one. So never heard about it, oust cool walker, go and have a look what's in there, right? So an ls release, forgot an A there, and there's information about an ArchISO offline installer. See what's in there. Is it old, is it new? Always, be critical about what you see, but read and see what's possible and choose whatever you understand, whatever you like, and things can be done. I like that as well. Restart, done. Let's hope it's gone, right? Otherwise we'll have to figure out something else, other ideas. And sometimes you just wait a few weeks because, hey, no ideas. And then the what if comes. What if I do it like this, or what if I do it like that? Just want to do a Control R. So on VirtualBox you can press right Control R and it just crashes and reloads. R, reload. Now remember that in the other video there was no icon, right? But there was an icon when we went to Dolphin, we went to desktop. Ooh, it's gone. So the solution worked. So this seems to be, well, done, right? The next thing I would like to do is signing packages. So that's the next video. All right, see you.